Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the automotive world, the 2025 VW Karmann Ghia. This iconic nameplate, which once graced the roads with its elegant curves and unmistakable charm, has returned in a new, electrified form. Volkswagen has done something truly special here, blending heritage and modernity in a way that few brands can pull off. If you're a fan of classic automotive design with a modern twist, you're going to want to hear all about this. The original Karmann Ghia, first introduced in the mid-1950s, was a collaboration between German automaker Volkswagen and Italian design house Ghia, with bodywork crafted by the German coachbuilder Karmann. It wasn't the fastest car on the road, but it didn't need to be. The appeal was always in its design, sleek, stylish, and effortlessly cool. Now, nearly 50 years since the last Karmann Ghia rolled off the production line, Volkswagen is breathing new life into the legend. The 2025 VW Karmann Ghia is not just a reissue, it's a reinvention. This isn't about copying the past, it's about reimagining it. The new model arrives as a fully electric coupe, sitting on VW's latest MEB platform, which underpins other electric models like the ID.3 and ID.4. But where those vehicles are aimed at practicality and mass appeal, the Karmann Ghia is all about emotion, style, and capturing the spirit of grand touring. The exterior design is a standout feature. While it pays homage to the flowing lines of the original with a familiar low-slung profile and rounded fenders, everything has been updated with a modern sensibility. The front fascia features slim, futuristic LED headlights and a sleek grille-less nose, giving it a clean electric aesthetic. The body is sculpted, almost organic in its form, with a wide stance that gives it a subtle aggression. The rear end sports a tapered fastback style, with wraparound taillights and a smooth, uncluttered look. It's clearly inspired by its namesake, but it doesn't feel retro for the sake of being retro. It feels timeless. Step inside, and the 2025 Karmann Ghia delivers a cabin that is both minimalist and luxurious. There's a strong emphasis on sustainable materials, recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and responsibly sourced wood accents. A large panoramic glass roof brings in natural light, enhancing the sense of space. The driver faces a fully digital cockpit with customizable displays, while a central touchscreen handles most functions through VW's latest infotainment interface. Voice commands and haptic controls make the experience feel seamless. Despite the modern tech, there are small nods to the past, round air vents reminiscent of the classic model's gauge bezels, and a subtle Karmann badge on the dash that feels like a whisper from history. In terms of performance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is more than just a pretty face. There are two variants at launch, a rear-wheel drive model with 210 horsepower, and a more powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushing 300 horsepower. Thanks to instant electric torque, both versions feel responsive and quick, especially the AWD model which clocks a 0 to 60 time under 5 seconds. Range is competitive too, with up to 320 miles on a full charge thanks to a 77 kWh battery pack. Fast charging capabilities mean you can go from 10% to 80% in around 25 minutes at a DC fast charger. The ride and handling strike a nice balance between comfort and agility. It's not a hardcore sports car, but it's definitely a driver's car. The low center of gravity, due to the underfloor battery pack, helps it feel planted through corners, and the steering is sharp without being twitchy. Adaptive suspension comes standard on the AWD model, allowing drivers to toggle between a cushy cruiser and a tighter, more responsive setup. Whether you're weaving through coastal roads or just cruising through the city, the new Karmann Ghia invites you to enjoy the drive. As for pricing, VW has placed the new Karmann Ghia in the premium EV segment, starting around $48,000 for the base model, with the AWD version coming in closer to $55,000. While it's not cheap, it's competitive with similar stylish electric coupes and offers a compelling package of design, performance, and heritage. The 2025 VW Karmann Ghia isn't just a new car, it's a statement. It shows that electric vehicles don't have to be sterile or purely functional. They can be passionate, nostalgic, and beautiful. Volkswagen has taken a bold step in reviving a beloved classic and done so in a way that respects the original while embracing the future. For fans of automotive design and history, this is more than just a car, it's a love letter to the past, delivered with the technology of tomorrow. Thanks for watching Scout Automobile, see you next time. Would you like a shorter version of this script for social media or voiceover use?